Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today we got our power supply unit from a welding machine that came in completely burned out. I opened it up, diagnosed the problem, repaired the damaged components, and now it's working perfectly again. Let's test it together and make sure everything's running smoothly. If you enjoy repair and electronics content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So, it turns out that someone had already opened this welding machine before. The previous repair guys didn't secure the circuit board properly. It was just loose inside. Because of that, the board touched the metal body of the machine and got burned. I had to clean everything up, repair the damage, and make sure the board is fixed firmly in place this time. Now it's working safely and reliably again.
The first thing to note